Hey guys, my name is Ishan and this is the Pokemon Infinite Fusion God Mode. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. God Mode is the modified version of various Pokemon RPG games in which I add many hacks to make you feel like a god in the game. Now I have already made a hack for Infinite Fusion, but it is outdated and I have added some new features in the new one. That's why I made a new video and I will link it into the last video. To download the files, you just have to go to the link in the description. Disable any ad blockers if you are using. Click on continue. If you get any pop-ups, just close them. If you get any notifications, just block them. And if you see any extensions, just find a cross like this one and just click it. If you get any new pages, just close them. Now here again click the cross, just do it until it goes away and then click on continue. Then wait for this timer, then click on get link. Again, if you get any extra pages, just close them, you don't need them. And finally you will be taken to your download page. Now if you're thinking why have I made these links shortened, well, it's because my monetization has been banned by YouTube without any reason and they don't even listen to me whatsoever. So these shortened links are the only way by which I can earn for the things I make. Now there is a way for you to help my channel and that is by using Brave browser. Brave browser is a really fast, cool and ad blocking browser which is much faster than Google Chrome in my experience, and it blocks almost every single ad on any website. Brave browser is helping creators like me who have lost their monetization due to YouTube being YouTube. So what you have to do is just go to the description of my video and just click on this link. Once you open the link, you will be shown a download button. You just have to click this download button, install Brave browser, use it for at least 30 days. If you'd like it, then keep it. If you don't, just uninstall it. But at least use it for 30 days because that will help my channel a lot. Now to install the God mode, you need a software named 7-Zip. Just go to the link in the description for 7-Zip, install it on your PC and then you're good to go. Now keep your downloaded file in any folder but not inside or near the original game, because that would just stop the God mode. Now what you have to do is just right click on this. If you have 7-Zip installed, you will have a new option here. Then just click on extract here and then you're good to go. Now I'll show you the usage of these hacks. First off, in order to go to the hacks map, you just have to press the button F6 or Fn plus F6 if you have a laptop or if the function keys are the secondary, and then you will be transported to this map which has like 17 or 16 hacks. Then you can just go and talk to them and they will give you the hack. If you want to come back, you can just use the F6 or Fn and F6 button. Also there is an option I have added in the menu here, teleport back, but every time you use this option, just exit the menu once, because if you don't, you will be stuck in a teleportation loop and you won't be able to come back to the real game. You can stop the teleportation loop by just exiting the game, but that would just make things more bad. So just exit the menu whenever you use this option. Now the next thing is debug menu. In order to start the debug, you have to press the F7 button or Fn and F7. Once you have it turned on, just go to the menu and you will see a new option here, debug. Now this debug has many options and there is another debug inside the Pokemon option. Let me just show you. Now when you select it, you will see a new option named debug. You can do anything here about your Pokemon, and in this game I have added a new thing. The actual game had the script about this ad item and about add Pokemon, which was hanging because there are a lot of Pokemons in this, like 100,000 something. So in the original game, if you started this, your game would crash, but I have changed the script and you can just enter the species ID. Now about the species ID, I have added a new software kind of thing here, .exe. When you open it, you will find like this GUI. You can select a simple Pokemon and you can also select fusion, whichever fusion you want. For example, I am taking this Charizard and let's say Pidgeotto or Pidgeot. Then I just have to click on find ID. It's 2124. Then just go back to the game, change this to 2124, and then you will be given an option to select the level, and as you can see I have got a Pidgeysard, or that's what this game says, and yes, it's the combination of Pidgeot and Charizard. So that's basically how you can select any fusion Pokemon. Now there are also legendary Pokemons here, and there are only 5, and I don't know why there are 2. I mean, not in this software, but the game has 2 of these, Zapdos, Moltres and Articuno, although both the Pokemon are same exactly, stat wise also and look wise also. And the next thing is the Godspeed. Godspeed is just the modification in the game that will make the game faster. You just have to press the Alt button, ALT button on your keyboard, and your game will be relatively faster. And also if you need to stop the Godspeed, you just have to press Alt again. Basically it toggles it. And there's one more thing, when you have the debug mode turned on, you can do things like walk through wall. All you have to do is just keep pressing the control button and you can just walk through anything you want. And when the trainer battle starts, just keep pressing the control button and it will just give you an option. If you want to treat this battle as a win or a loss, you can just select that and you can win it directly. But honestly, I don't think you need to use that, because that changes the whole meaning of this game. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment on my video, and I'll see you in the next video.